Data queries and SQL syntax. There are a few data queries and data manipulation functions we can use in the database. These are add table row, save table changes, list or display table contents, update table rows, restore table contents, delete table rows, and inserting table rows with a select subquery. To insert a table row, we simply use the syntax insert into table name, values, and the values for the columns to populate. In the variant below, we can see that there are two sets of values. This means that there are two sets of rows being inserted into the table. Also, after the table name, there are columns enclosed in parentheses. These specify the columns that we are going to populate. Since there are cases wherein columns don't need to be populated, so we won't need to have values for them. Save table changes. Changes made to table contents are not physically saved on disk until one of the following occurs. Database is closed, program is closed, commit command is used. For the commit command, we simply use commit and work or commit work. This will permanently save any changes made to any table in the database. To list or display table rows, we use the select statement. The syntax is simply select column, in this case person, from table name. Person represents one or more attributes separated by commas. The asterisk can also be used as a wildcard character to list all attributes, or all columns of the table. Clauses of the select statement. The from is used to indicate the table or view which data will be obtained. The where condition indicates the conditions under which a row will be included in the result. The group by indicates columns to group the results. Having indicates the conditions under which a group will be included. Order by sorts the result according to specified columns. For the conditions of the select clauses, we can use the comparison operators. In the example below, we are selecting the column person from the table people where column age is greater than 18. Select statement using alias. Alias is an alternative column or table name. As you can see in the example below, all the words marked in red are the aliases. The customer table is given the alias name, while the customer table is giving the alias cust. Select statement using functions. Using the count aggregate function to find totals. Some aggregate functions are sum, min, max, average, and count. In the example below, the count function is used to count all the rows from table orders where the order ID is equal to 1004. Update table rows. This is used to modify data in a table. The syntax is simply update table name, set column name equal to expression, and an optional condition list, which is triggered by the where command. If more than one attribute is to be updated in row, separate corrections with commas. To restore table contents, rollback is used. This is used to restore database to its previous condition, only applicable if commit command has not been used to permanently store changes in database. Syntax is simply the rollback command. Commit and rollback only work with data manipulation commands that are used to add, modify, or delete table rows. To delete a table row, simply use delete from table name. The where condition is also optional to specify a specific condition. If the where condition is not specified, all rows from the specified table will be deleted. To insert rows using a subquery, you simply use the select statement in the insert statement. In the example below, insert into table name, select person from table name. So this inserts all persons from table name into another table.